Welcome to Peer. In this video, I'll show you how to run ERP studies using Peer. We'll start with a simple visual oddball paradigm. Peer comes with some pre-configured ERP studies. Here we selected one response oddball. First, you'll see a test of the impedance on the screen, and then you'll be taken straight to the game instructions. This is also something you can configure later, but more on that in another video. You'll get one more look at data signal quality. Here, I'm not actually wearing the headset, so everything is red, but when you do it, it'll be green. And you start playing a simple visual oddball game. At the end of each block, or set of trials, you'll get a stop screen that shows you how accurate you were. Ideally, in this case, you wouldn't miss any of the targets, which are the green circles. At the end of each block of trials, Peer will show you that you're being off by some amount, and then it will move on to the next block of trials when you hit continue. Peer is pre-configured to run 4 sets of 50 trials for visual oddball. You'll also see in the bottom left, there was a progress bar. Now, I won't make you watch all the trials, but at the end of the experiment, you'll go to a data summary screen, just like with the raw data. Here, I'm scrolling through the raw EEG to see what's on the screen, and I see the markers for the ERP task. Of course, Peer also has a feature that allows you to analyze the data. In this case, you can compute an N200 and a P300. Peer will do this using state-of-the-art analysis techniques that were developed by researchers around the world. So there we've selected the N200 and P300, and you can pick which channel you want to look at, and you'll see that Peer has correctly identified the N200 and P300 ERP components. The numbers that you see are validated, and you can use them for your publications. Peer also allows you to export the data, and that includes the peak information and the waveforms for plotting purposes. Exporting is exactly the same as it was for raw data. You can just hit the arrow inside the square on the top right corner, and Peer will export your raw data, the statistical data, and the summary waveforms.